What's up, everybody? So tonight we're gonna make some dinner. You're gonna need some pasta, any type you want, some broccoli, some garlic. I really only need one lemon, but they didn't sell singular lemons, so I got these. Some mushrooms and some shrimp. So right now I have the water. I've also never really made this. Like, I've made it, but like I haven't really made it before. But so I don't really know what to cook first, but I'm gonna cook the pasta first. And like I would cook everything together, but I don't really think that my stove does that, where you can like have multiple things burning at once. Cause like I tried to do that, and like only one of the things got hot. So I don't know, maybe it's me, but it's probably the stove. But I have the water on right now. I probably shouldn't cook the pasta first, cause like that's probably the fastest thing to do. But since I don't really know what to do, that's just what I'm gonna do. So I have the water not even boiling yet. That's pretty lit. And then like it says it's on, but like it's not getting hot. So I'm not really sure how this is gonna work, but we're gonna figure it out together. Like, you can only do one burner at a time, but I just turned on the back one. Ow! Oh my god. The people outside, like in the other places. Oh my god, hold on, I'll be right back. So I'm debating on boiling the broccoli. Okay, maybe I should turn off this water, because the pasta's gonna be done way before everything else. But I'm debating on boiling the broccoli, or if I should put it in the other pan with the shrimp and the mushrooms, so that way I don't have like a bunch of dishes to do. Cause like, so that's where I'm at right now. Also, you can do 2 burners at once. Yeah, I know, like the lights behind me, it should be over here, whatever. You could do 2 burners at once, but they have to be on the same side. Just in case you all wanted to know how to use the Whirlpool stove. You know, now you know. So I'm just gonna use like this much broccoli. I think I'm gonna boil it for like a couple like seconds, and then I'll just, wow, but that's such like a waste. Whatever, we'll figure it out. We'll just throw it in the dishwasher, don't worry about it. Also, they gave me a cutting board, but they have the towels like folded nicely on it. So like I don't want to use it and mess up the way the towels are folded, you know?
I love pasta, it's my favorite thing to eat.
So right now, I'm just prepping, I guess you could call it. So you're gonna need 1 lemon, unless you want to use 2, that's fine. And you're just gonna cut it in half. Just be careful not to cut yourself. Apparently I already cut myself, but it happens. I'm gonna put the water for the pasta back on. Is it normal to only have one side of your stove work at a time? We'll just see what happens, I guess. Yeah. I'm just debating if they're both on, because if you can hear it, it's making a lot of noise. Okay, now it's not making any noise since I said something. You can kind of hear it probably, yeah. But when I turned on the other side, it didn't make that noise. So what if my pasta's ready? Maybe not, we'll see. Whatever, we'll figure it out. Then you're gonna squeeze your lemon in here.
The way you serve it to me, I will take that.
What about this? This is my trash bag. Then I bought bags like this because I was just sure like it looked like they would fit in here.
It's a treat. Boil the water, cook it in a pot, and sauce it in a pan. Then dump it out onto wide and I'll eat all I can. Fettuccine, spaghettini, manicotti, ravioli, tortellini, cannelloni.
You're gonna want another pan like this for the shrimp and all the other stuff. But since my stove only works with one burner at a time, apparently, who knows what we're gonna do. Cooking. I think I'm just gonna cook the pasta first. Just cook the pasta and then figure out the rest. I don't know. So what I did was I switched the pans around since this burner is like bigger, that one's smaller. I think it'll be better and like everything will work out the way it's supposed to. If not, oh well. Also, you're going to want some butter. Yeah. So you're just gonna put some butter in the pan. Then you're gonna add some garlic. Don't cut towards yourself. Yeah. And you're gonna throw some of these in there. So you're gonna put the broccoli in here as well. Wow, this pan might be too small. I thought it would work out, but I don't know if it is. So I'm gonna put the shrimp in when there's 5 minutes left for the pasta because since they're already cooked also, yeah, I don't know, it just makes sense in my head, you know? So this is what it looks like right now. We have 7 minutes left for the pasta. Oh, we have 5 minutes left. Guys, there's a hole. You see that? There's a hole in my bag. So the problem here is the pan's a little too small, and like if you can see, they're frozen. So I don't know how we're gonna know that the shrimp are warmed, but we're just gonna hope for the best. So I put a lid on top of this pan because like it helps keep the heat in. It helps like thaw things quicker. I don't know if that's true, but I feel like I've heard that before. And then the pasta is done, so I'm gonna pour that out. Okay, so I think the shrimps are done. I have the pasta right here. Whatever, I don't know if you're supposed to put like a hot thing on here, but it'll be fine. I'm just gonna go for it. So that's that, and you're just gonna stir it around. And then you're gonna wanna add your lemon juice.
There's noodles made of flour and there's noodles made of